This coin Bonk is going absolutely bonkers. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts regarding Bonk and much more. So make sure you stick around to the very end and that you give this video a thumbs up if you love cryptocurrencies. So let me know right in the comments below with a number 1 if you hold Bonk, number 2 if you do not hold Bonk. Let's see how many Bonk holders we have in the chat. This coin is absolutely bullish. It's making multi-millionaires from thousands of dollars, just like Pepe coin. And everyone, I'm sure, is wondering, okay, should we buy Bonk? Should we get in right now? And let me tell you the absolute truth of what I think. So Bonk on the day is up 37%. The last 24 hours up 37%. You can buy it on a lot of exchanges right now. It is a Solana-based token. A lot of Solana coins are going absolutely crazy right now because Solana is going absolutely crazy right now. So I think that Solana is going to be Solana, Avalanche, all these new chains. That's where like these new coins are really going to start to pop off. If you guys see good projects, you should probably consider maybe investing a tiny little bit, because investing a tiny little bit in these coins can do really, really well. Here's the thing. The market cap right now is $1.5 billion. It is the number 50th cryptocurrency in the entire world, overtaking FTX coin, Quant, Helium, a whole bunch of really good coins. And I believe that we are probably going to see Bonk get in the top 10, top 20 in the near future with its current hype and its own little bull run, the thing that it has going on. But should you buy Bonk right now? Well, I don't think that right now is the absolute best time to buy Bonk. What you are going to want to see is some type of correction or pullback into maybe these levels here for Bonk. If the market continues to correct and move lower, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a really potential good buying opportunity for Bonk, and it might be a good long-term hold. It is a meme coin. I don't know anything else about the coin, about its utility, but for as much as I know right now, it is a meme coin. So the only reason why it's going up is because of hype and excitement and FOMO and all different types of emotions. But if the market continues to pull back, which we are seeing Bitcoin is forming lower highs right now. It's kind of correcting today. We're seeing a lot of correcting in the altcoin market today, a lot of red. And guess what's followed by red? A lot of green. And a lot of times, most of the times, especially these last couple of months, cryptos have been pumping on the weekend. So it would not surprise me if Bitcoin and Ethereum begin to bottom out right now, and that Bonk ends up pumping this weekend. And that could be pretty exciting. You'll have to monitor it. But when things are just pumping and pumping and pumping up massively, I don't know, 3x just recently, you want to wait for a stronger pullback or correction. And that might be a really good time to consider getting in. And you would want to use a stop loss. So let's just say Bonk crashes here, starts to bounce up. Put a stop loss there to protect your investment. If you're trading futures, especially, you always want to use a stop loss. Or if you're buying spot, you may or may not want to use a stop loss. And the thing about using a stop loss is like, okay, it starts to bounce up here, boom. If you end up being wrong, it takes you out and crashes a whole bunch more, because when this thing crashes, it's going to crash 20, 30, 40, 50% at a time, maybe 80, 90% at a single time. And yes, that's possible. But it's getting big corrections nonetheless. So you put a stop loss there if you're wrong, and then you can just keep buying lower. And eventually this thing is going to find a strong bottom. But I would only advise, it's not financial advice, but I mean, this is just something that I would do personally. I would only advise buying at big crashes for this thing, and big crashes will happen. Let me show you another coin that's very, very similar. Okay, remember Pepe coin? Pepe had its big debut. It pumped up massively. And guess what happened after it pumped up massively? It pretty much entered into a bear market forever. This could be the same with Bonk, but the difference is that we are in a really strong bull market right now. And the most important thing is, like, look, after there's a big crash and correction, there was a huge bounce. This was a 40% bounce. So every single correction had very big bounces, and that might be a good strategy. You're not looking to hold this thing forever. You're just looking to extract some money out of the market with this coin, which I think is quite highly possible. So do I recommend buying right now? No, I recommend to be patient and wait for a big crash and correction. And depending if the crypto market is bouncing up and going up, that's going to be potentially a good time to consider getting in. But if the crypto market is crashing and correcting and going lower, you're still going to want to wait for cryptos to start bouncing up, recovering, and that is when the market is going to be the best opportunity for you to consider getting into a meme coin or a meme coin like this. Now make sure you guys are in my Patreon, where I put out buy and sell alerts for coins like Bonk and other cryptocurrencies that have made massive gains over the years. I'm also putting out profitable trade signals every single week for cryptocurrencies. We do longing and shorting all different types of cryptocurrencies. If you want to have immediate access to this really profitable group, join the Patreon right below. As well, Algosniper gave out a buy alert before Bonk went bonkers. This is a trading indicator that I developed that's going to help you to understand to get in and out of the market at the very tops and bottoms. You guys can try this thing today for free. Look, gave a buy alert here, pumped all the way up massively. And yes, we did get a sell alert here, which if you would have followed, the market did crash 40%, but it shows because we are in the green bands that the trend is still strong and bullish, that you don't really need to get out of this position here. I just released a tutorial on YouTube. It's a couple of videos past. You guys can check that out for further instruction. But that's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.